Miguel is going to change out the flag. It was already getting pretty dry, rotted, and then a storm finished it out. So he's going to put a new flag on. Got 2 of them to change. Okay, got the flag changed out. I'm gonna put it back up now.
I hope I cost you good.
No, I don't think it's that tall. I see his little plants. What are these plants called that you have to trim?
What? Behind me?
Yeah.
Needlepoint hollies.
Needlepoint hollies. I see they're getting in the shape that they need to be trimmed again.
Yes.
Yep. That looks better. What you think, Kizzy? Oh. You like it? Gemma, where are you? They're out here watching the changing of the flag. Yep. That's our girls. All right. One more to change. All right. I'm going to take down the second flag. Kind of hard to see with the, there you go. It's got that weeping cherry under it. We've got it down now. We get it changed out. Got the new flag. And going to get it connected and raise it. It's hard for him to hold stuff with his left hand. All right, up she goes.
Good.
Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Thank you guys for watching.
Alright guys, you can see today we have to change the flags. It's kind of a little bit complicated because with this hand, I got a hard time to hold small things like a zip tie or that clips. And I have to use both hands, but I can't do too much with the left one. You can see it don't take me too long to do. We had to change these flags twice a year, right? Well guys, I hope you like it watching our videos. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you excuse me. I think one bug goes in my throat.
Free protein.
I hope I can encourage anyone to take a small step, do little things. It really makes you feel like you can still do something. Like myself, after what I've been going through on 2021, and it still don't recuperate 100%, but I thank God every day that I still be able to move in, because they told my wife I'm gonna be like a vegetable. I'm gonna be paralyzed for the rest of my life.
Well, you can still change your flag.
Thanks for watching. God bless every one of you guys. Keep us in your prayers, and hope to see you on the next video. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching.